It's all fuzz in the lens. What's up, YouTube? Adam DeFresh here. No sneakers in this vlog. No really reason for this vlog except for the fact that we're supposed to get a serious snowstorm. I know serious to some of you guys is like baby stuff for us, but for our area we're supposed to get a serious serious snowstorm. No sneakers coming today. There's no sneakers probably going to be in this video. I'm waiting on them Roshi runs, the Yeezy colorway, the restock. Besides that, I'm just going to keep an update today on where this snow is and how this snow's coming and how long it takes to fill up. So, I'll keep updating through the day. Just started, and you could barely see the, it's starting to snow. You can't see it really if I go like that, but if I go with my truck, you can see it coming down, big flakes. My truck looks boring in the winter, the rims are off, but usually it's got them black 22s on it. You'll see it again in the summer, I'll put them back on. But we're at work, I'll probably be leaving early. It's coming down. So the last time you guys saw outside here where I am was about 20 minutes ago. This is where we're at right now. It is currently 11:15 in the morning. And we got snow. The ground is completely white here now. It's coming. Oh, it's here, I think. It's going to be coming more. So, I'm driving my ass home. It's funny because we're getting a snowstorm and I'm listening to Snow the Product. If you've never heard of that and you're a hip hop head, go onto YouTube right now and type Snow the THA Product. She's a female rapper. She's on the come up and her stuff is on point. So it's 11:45 in the morning, afternoon, whatever, and this is what we got so far. Not much yet over here, but it's definitely coming down. The weather report as of 12:30 in the afternoon.
As of 1, 2, 3, 4.
As of 1, 2, 3, 4 via wife.
What do you want me to say? It's fucking snowing.
That's it? Coop, you want to tell me what you think of the snow? Nothing?
Say something.
He said, what the hell's snow? So, like she said, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're not focusing. It's snowing sideways. So my back patio deck, you know where the table and chairs, just one table, is located. I'm gonna see out there. I'm gonna video that every hour, or try to.
Will bring bursts of heavy snow of around 2 inches per hour, and that's where we'll see those rapid accumulations. You're 3 o'clock in the morning.
2 inches per hour. 9 to 13 inches, they're saying.
0 to 10 below, and that's the same scenario for Thursday and Friday as those.
So I've been taking video clips every hour from 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock of outside to watch the accumulation of snow. I'm going to keep doing it, but it's so windy out there that the snow is being blown around by the wind that it's not really growing tall, if that makes sense. But it's 3:36. I'll show you what's going on outside via my window in the sneaker room. No, that's not good enough. You can't really get a good view on the snow from the window. I'm gonna have to take you guys outside. It's 3:45.
Some grapes.
Taking YouTube outside for a second. Do I want a cookie?
Oh, you're taping right now?
Mm-hmm.
Ew.
Now you can see we're only a couple hours into this. It's coming down. I'll give you an update in a little bit. I'm going to eat more cookies. Alright, it's 7:15 at night. It's dark out. I don't even know if you're going to be able to see anything. But I'm going to go check on the storm. Can't really see shit, I guess. Yeah, especially if I go like that. But it doesn't look like it even is that much, because see this here? See this, the step on this side and then the step on this side? The wind is taking it all to one side, so it's not actually accumulating even. So I guess my my measurements with the stairs are going to be, I mean on the back patio table is going to be pointless. 1 o'clock p.m. and here's 2 p.m. 3 p.m. and there's 4 o'clock. It looks like the snow is not really accumulating because of the wind. And this is 5 p.m. This is 7 o'clock p.m. Starting to think this might be kind of pointless. The wind's just blowing it off the table. Fast forwarding now to 9 o'clock at night. That table hasn't really changed. so I'm probably just gonna stop doing this. I'm gonna go to sleep and see what it's like out in the morning. What's up, YouTube? It's the following morning, 8 o'clock a.m. And I'm starting to think that this storm was kind of BS. News reporters all talking about 8 to 12 inches, 2 inches an hour. I videoed the back patio table every hour, and it wasn't even an inch. I know the wind is blowing it around, but look at the table today. No difference. I don't know. I mean, if I take you out front, take a look. Oh, it definitely looks like more snow out this way. I guess the wind is blowing it off things, but it's piled up out front here. I don't know. Whatever the case, I was expecting more snow. I mean, there's still snow out there. The roads are covered. I'm not wearing any nice shoes. I'm probably not going anywhere, to be honest, but I was expecting more. Whatever. At least it was a fun vlog. It was kind of the vlog for no reason, I guess. But, hit the thumbs up button anyway. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. I'm DeFresh. Until next time, I'm out.